Okay, now this time I try to do a soundproofing for ioniq hybrid, and this time around I try to do on the window, on the door. So first of all, take out this first, the rubber from below. There's a little notch here, and use a screwdriver to pull it out. Then put aside first, and there's one screw, Phillips screw. Take it out. I already take it out. And also winding the window down. After winding the window down, and this one just pull. Okay, so there's a 3 button, so it's like this. So there's a quality check also. Okay, and now it's time to pull the thing. Pull out this one is a bit easy, but you need to have a tools to do that, or you can use a hand also. Let me try. So I will use this tool to just pry from here, or from here. Sorry, just do it from here. Push it, then twist, something like that. Sorry, from the below first. Go down first. Okay, just pry like that. Same thing for all. Okay, that is all button. So once I done that, I just need to pull up this frame. Up. Before I pull, there's a thing in the other side. This one. So this one need to press and take away. Just like that, one. Then there's another one cable below. But before that, I need to take down this first. Okay. So once you take it out the door, there's a 2 cable need to touch. So one is here, kind of difficult to do this because I only have one hand. This one, hold it. Okay, then the other one is there. Here. Okay, two. So now I can remove everything. So this is how it looks on the inside. Let me hold the phone first. Okay. Now it should look like that, and the other side also look like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to cover this area with this. So it's just a yoga mat, and we will try this whether it works or not, because I don't want to do so much thing using a sound improvement which is doesn't really effective, or spend money to do it without any purpose. So I just give a try. Put it this, maybe I will go on cut to do improvement on here. So one piece is can hold about 2. So I think it's quite long enough to do a 2-layer. So, this thing, this yoga mat actually is quite thin. I don't really like one of, but I make it double layer. It's like this should be good enough to cover the window, or entire window. And let's see how it goes, because I'm not sure whether it works or not. Yep. So this time I do it on the left, because on the right I already installed. Then I already pre-cut. Then the conclusion is I only use 1 layer, not double layer, because 1 layer is really quite thick, and to press down is a bit difficult. And this is how I'm going to do. First I place it here first. So this is the screw going to door. Usually the handle when you hold it and then against to close and open the door is here. So this is very important, and place it there first, and the rest cable it outside, just like this one, and this one also the cable for the speaker. Place it just like that first. So this is first attempt actually. I might doing it later on with a new mat and to cover on this area as well. But now temporarily this is on. I try to do it on this one. Maybe at the time I will do it with a different mat. So once placed, Once placed, then put it in this one. So this is kind of a bit tricky and difficult to do. But of course this one need to adjust first the door hinge like that. Door hinge. Once justify with that, go around here. So first I do is connect first all the cable. Once connect all the cable, place all the hole with the button hole on top. This is the difficult part, is to use that alignment with the So it's done actually. After that, just need to place this back, just like that, and yep, so it's working. Okay, I need to charge the battery back on the engine. Seems to be there's an indication that I need to start the engine, prevent the 12-volt battery is lost. Okay, same thing with behind. Take out your seat if you have, wind down the window, and first of all you need to unscrew the, take out this one first. Take out this one first, and there's a screw, Phillips screw side. Okay, once take out the Phillips screw, the easiest way without tools, here there's a little bit notch or gap, which is you can pull. So you from here pull it. The same to all doors. Check on the here on the left side, inside. So pull it. It's a bit very hard, so same thing goes to here as well. Okay, once you remove like this already, so the door is hanging on the top. So what you do, take out, hold it up. So I'm doing this one hand operation. Take it out, then so you can see here. And here is very easy. Just take out this, push, take out, and here there's a cable. The cable actually is quite easy to pull. As long you one hand you hold it the door. There's a clip to press here. Okay, press it here and pull down. Okay, so you got the frame of the door. Okay, every door have a different design layout. Behind and the front different. So, but it's only one time done. So I will take this part and then do it slowly. All the cover. Then This is a plastic here. Last time I tried to remove this black cover, but impossible to do. Seems there's something is locking this black thing. So I just do it on the front surface. See how it goes. So once I put in the door cover in my table, I just roughly use again this yoga mat, because this yoga mat not so wide enough, so I only give a try this one. I think I just use, not sure whether I can use 2 or 1, because the behind it quite a lot of rooms actually, so that's why I believe it's not so soundproof compared to the front one. But anyway, I give a try first. So not able to cover all, only few things. Maybe make a hole here, just like make a hole here, and maybe make a hole here. That's all. And will be cut through here line accordingly, and make another hole here, and see how it goes. Okay, this is what I do. I straight away mark to the mat straight away this time to cut the time. Just mark it like that, then see whether the marking must be perfectly dropped to the same button. So like this, put marking like that. Once put marking, and make a hole, something like that. So continuing with the rest of the button. Okay, once this flip, so it's like this. So there's some few errors, so it's okay as long as I know where is the thing. Then I will cut through using a pen knife. Okay, after finish, make it a hole on each of this section. There's a square, there's a buttonhole, and then I will use this one again to put it on the car and make marking for the speakers and so on. So for the speaker, I just use the marking a cut a little bit just now. Place this on the speaker and then marking a bit, and I use the previous round shape and make it round. So now I try to cut it. Okay, once I place this one, I got all the cut, so you put like this, the cable outside, so now I try to place it this. align all the button. Cool. Then hook it up on the top, just like this. Yeah, perfectly done. Okay. Okay, done for this one. So that is the, I guess that is the same will apply to the left. So hopefully you guys can do as well. Thank you. That's about it. For the door, I also use this kind of rubber. Is actually is a B-shaped type rubber, and the material almost same with this. So this is how I install around the frame door. Every door has this one. I'm adding extra. So this is actually resist in before this door, this one apply. For example, I put it off, so like this. So I put it, this one against on top of it. So there's an extra little bit bigger, so become round. This one, the moment this one is sitting behind. So it happened. I did it all for the door, but except on the door itself, here nothing. Only here I did an extra here as well. All the doors the same, 4 doors, including go to the bottom and then so on. That is for the frame door. So when the door slam, so it's not like empty, so it's a little bit solid. Same thing behind, I did it same. Here is improved when we slam the door a little bit better. Sorry for the sound of the motorbike. I don't know why motorbike they always have a loud sound even they're running slow. So this is how it sound like. Sometimes it cannot close because okay. So you can feel the sound is different. Yep. So this is testing when all the window is open and the engine sound also is on. So let me wind down all the window. So this is how it sound when all the window is closed. It's about 6:30. So today is the road's a little bit quiet. So let me open again the window. This is all window is closed. So this is the difference when the windows is open. Definitely can hear the other car road noise. And I try to close again the window. Yeah, this is how it sound like. Thank you.